Sprinkler Bird. We're going to show you how to set up your sprinklers. So first we're going to turn it on before we find the problem.
Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is check and make sure the sprinkler valves are closed, so when we turn on the water down below, it doesn't just start spraying out up here. So there's a couple spots. This is a little grommet thing, and if you don't have it straight, water will spray out here. This will also make sure the water is off. And I would turn this so it's closed, and there's one back here that I would also turn so it's closed. And then not everyone would have this, but this is like an attachment for a hose, so this should also be closed or water will just spray out when you turn it on. I don't have a screwdriver right now, but I'm going to go back and get it for these two guys right here so they can be closed too. Alright, so I got the screwdriver, so we can move these guys so they're perpendicular to the way the water would flow out of there, so it stops it. And that's that. Now everything's off. Now we're going to go down below and turn the water on.
On the valves, the screws should be pointing up. If they're pointing in any other direction, water's gonna leak when you turn it on.
Alright, so this might be in a different spot at your house, but this is where the actually the water and the gas come into this house. So you can see here, this is the valve right here to turn it on and off. There's a little grommet here that actually goes onto this thing here, so that lets water, any water that's stuck in the pipe, come down to the lowest point here and drip into this bucket, which is empty right now. So the first thing we're going to do is put this little grommet on that so that when I turn the water on, it all doesn't just come pouring out. Okay, so now that is securely on there. Next thing to do is to turn that knob slowly so that water will go up into the pipe and it'll stop at the place outside where we had turned the other knob to make sure it's off. So I'm going to slowly open the valve here. There we go. So now the valve is open, water's gone to the outside to where we turned it off. Turn the knob off outside, and we'll go and visit that and turn the rest of the system on now. So now we've gotten the water started up here. We're going to turn it on the outside now. I believe we just slowly. All right. So that's the other side. So we're going to take it on the incoming and slowly turn that one on first here.
Oh.
When they're rusty, it is a little more tricky. Then I'll also turn this one on to charge the sprinkler system here. I'll open this one the remainder of the way. Then we'll open this the remainder of the way. So now the sprinkler system is turned on, and you can go give it a test.
What we're going to do is we're going to turn on some of the systems, and we're going to see where there are problems.
Okay, so this is our sprinkler controller. Zone 8 is actually the backyard hose. We set that up for the kids, but we'll turn on Zone 1, which is actually connected to the real sprinkler system. So I think we go and just have to turn it off first. Then I can go through my zones here. We will turn on Zone 1, which is our main zone. No. Alright, that's the easement zone. But it looks like it's working.
So now we're going to try the next zone, right?
Try the next zone.
Okay. Wait, can I just look at them? Yeah.
Looks like we have a leak in the pipe right there. Is that or where the sprinkler hasn't popped up?
No, that's been I think that was there before.
I can't remember if there's a sprinkler here or if this is a leak. Nope, there's a sprinkler. Although it is a little bent.
We might need to we might need to replace that one.
Maybe. That's probably not going to be the worst one.
Please like and subscribe. Please watch Sprinkler Bird again.